Hi everybody, it's time for Quick Tip Tuesday. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I'm a little far away from my microphone, but I've got a Quick Tip Tuesday for vocational tasks today. And so in this tip, when a student checks in, takes their schedule, matches it to their basket, they're going to take out the papers and the envelopes. And so they're going to have a pile of colored paper. I use cardstock because it's a little bit easier to deal with. Than the paper. And then just general shipping envelopes, and then these little office dots. And so you get them on these little cards that come in the office. So you can get them. I got them in neon because I happen to have neon paper. So what I did is I've taken the dots and I've put them on these shipping envelopes so that you can do them one of two ways. The students need to package the paper into the envelopes. So this means he needs to put one green in this envelope. Another way to do it, and so this one means he needs to put one pink, one orange, which is kind of hard to see with the light, and one neon green in this envelope. Now, this one I did a little bit different, and I'm going to scoot in so you can see it. I wrote on it. So for some students, you might actually just use one dot and just write in. He has to have 2 pink, 3 orange, and 1 green. So you might just write it in. And then for some students, you might use a number of dots. So if they're not really good at numbers, you could actually have them count up 1 pink, 1 orange, and 2 green. So what they're going to do is they're going to take it out of the basket. They're going to set it down. So they've got their piles of paper, and maybe they're going to spread them out by color. And I'm probably going to go off my camera a little bit here because my table's not quite long enough. And then they're going to take their envelope. Move my envelope over here. So I need 1 pink, 1 orange, and 2 green. Now obviously you can make these as hard or as easy as you want. And then you can also have him practice with the little clasps. He can practice folding and clasping the envelope. So that's good fine motor practice for some of our guys. And then he puts it in the finish basket. Then he picks up the next one. This one only needs 1 green. So I take my 1 green, put it in, fold it over, fasten. This one he needs 1 pink, 1 orange, and 1 green. So 1 pink, 1 orange, 1 green. Puts it in, fastens into the finish basket. And this one's the one with numbers. 2 pinks, 1, 2. 3 orange, 1, 2, 3. And 1 green. And lo and behold, now all of my paper is done. All of my envelopes are gone. So now my work is finished. My basket is full. My work is done. My task is over. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.